The question says find the length of AB for the triangle above. So that means we are looking for this side. Now let's label the sides. This is our A, this is our B, these are what our C. The sides are opposite of the angles. To begin with, let's not forget that angles in a triangle add up to give us 180. So this is going to give us 83 degrees. This is 8 plus 53 degrees plus, let's say we want to find the angle here. Let's call this place S as well. So plus X equals what? 180 degrees. So to make S the solid formula, everything here comes over the positive sign. So our X will be 180 degrees minus 83 degrees minus 53 degrees. So when you punch it in the calculator, we're going to have it to be 44 degrees. That means the angle here will be 44 degrees. Okay, now let's go ahead and find the length AB. Now to find the length AB, we're going to apply B over sine B equals C over sine C. Now note that we didn't make use of sine A because there is no value here. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug in the values. So it's going to give us our side B value is what? 7 over, so we have the sine B, the angle there is what? 44. So we have sine 44 degrees equals our C. There's no value there. The side, yes, represent it with X, or let's use C to represent it. Okay, so we have equals C over what? Sine 53. That's the angle there for C degrees. So when you cross multiply, you're going to have your C, sine C, to be 7 times sine 53 degrees over sine 44 degrees. Okay, now when you punch this on your calculator, then punch it. Okay, so when you punch it, you're going to have it to be 8.0477. I keep having recurring decimal, but let's stop at this point. 8.0477. Now if you want to leave your answer in 3 significant figures, it's going to be this 8 is significant, this 0 is significant, this 4 is significant. So this 7 that is after 4 is up to 5. We approximate it as 1 and put it in this 4. So the final answer, if you're leaving it in 3 significant figures, is going to be 8.05. Alright, the unit is what? Meter. So that will be the answer. So this side AB is what? 8.05. So 8.05 meter will be here. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Now let's wipe this and look at how to solve the second problem I have here for this triangle. Okay, let's wipe this. Okay, so for this triangle, say find angle ABC for the triangle shown above. Now angle ABC, that means we are looking for the angle here. Okay, ABC, angle ABC. We are looking for the middle angle. Now I explained this in geometry when we treated geometry. Alright, so to get our angle ABC, that is angle B, we need to apply sine rule. Okay, now let's firstly label the side. This is A, this is B, this is C. The sides are opposite to all the angles. For this question, we are still going to apply B over sine B. Okay, equals C over sine C. I'm not making use of A because there's no value here. Now when you plug in the values, you will have our B is 7 over our sine B is unknown. That's what we are looking for. The B angle is unknown, equals our C is what? 8 over sine C. That's the angle C, that is 53. So you have sine 53 degrees. So when you cross multiply, you're going to have 7 times sine 53 degrees equals 8 sine B. Now you firstly divide both sides by 8. This will cancel this. we have now when we punch 7 times sine 53 degrees over 8 on the calculator, let me punch it. We're going to have it to be 0.6988. You keep having the recurring decimal, but let's stop at this point. Equals what? Sine b. Now to make b a solid formula, you divide both sides by sine. So our b will now be sine inverse of this value we have here. So it's going to give us, let me write it here. It's going to be sine inverse of 0.6988. Let me punch in the calculator. Okay, so sine inverse of 0.6988 will give us 44.330. Now if you want to leave it in one decimal place, it will be 44.3 degrees. So that would be the angle for the B. So this will be our answer. So that means what we have here will be 44.3 degrees. So it's as simple as that, guys. So that's it. Our B equals this.